So guys, nagluto ko ganyan ang pamilinda na mo. Wala na mag-i-con ng video. So, nami siomay. French fries.
Pwede na!
Wala, magpain mo man.
Hotdog. Good. With Movie Max. With Movie Max.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
With movie ba tayo?
May marathon.
Movie marathon.
Hindi ka baksan doon.
With movie marathon, no?
Movie mo.
Good.